Baby, you know we're a power couple, right? No, we're a power couple, right? Baby, you my celebrity. They ain't never want to see that. Nah.
What it do, TJ gang? And we is back with another video. Today we are having a mukbang. We got our crab legs here. We got something to sip on. Okay, and we have more sausage, shrimp, lobster. We got corn and we have potatoes. And it's your girl Tina.
Your boy John.
And we have my mom over here, Ann. She will be joining us today with this mukbang. And you got Jordan, Scum Jordan. All right, and today, you guys, we are going to be reviewing something. Okay? I don't know. Let me see if y'all can guess. Y'all see that sauce? Do y'all know what that is? In my Belove voice, what's up, my Belove? So we are so excited to try this out because y'all, she be going in. Like, I've been wanting to get my hands on this sauce so bad because she eat it with everything and she makes it look so good. So we're going to be reviewing this and we're going to dig on in and we're going to be talking to y'all while we're eating. And we have eggs too over here because you know she be having the egg and they be looking so good. So dig in, y'all. Let's go. Yay! So excited. Let me try this drink and they made it. You did good. So what I'm gonna get first? Let me try this egg first. Let me try this egg.
Potato show, busting.
Oh, give me one of them corn for them. Yes.
Yeah, that sounds pretty good. I ain't even gonna lie.
Little sauce is good now.
Let's see what we working with, Belove.
She ain't flexing. I don't know about everything, but it definitely works for the seafood.
Yes!
Potatoes test out good.
Belove, you did this one now. This little sauce is good and it got a little sweet taste to it. And I follow directions to a T, y'all. So,
Sauce is on the money.
oh, yes. This sauce is the bomb.
Let me have one of them corns.
Oh, yes, this sauce is really good.
Yes, it is.
It made me just want to say, what's up, my people? Make you want to say it.
Now, I must say, the cook really seasoned this seafood.
Oh, yeah, you
She
guys
did a
so
very good job with seasoning.
thank this meal for us, you guys. And I put some seasoning in the crab as well. So, but
Let me get a potato.
if you don't know how to season
should get
your
on the
crabs,
phone.
if you don't know how to season your crabs, it's okay because if you got this Belove sauce, you really don't need no season because she got all the season in this sauce. So even if your crab legs come out not that seasoned, don't worry. As long as you got that Belove sauce, everything gonna be okay.
Yeah.
Y'all see how it come out? Ooh! It came out good.
I thought they was exaggerating when they was being extra with just dripping and dropping and then just making it all sloppy. But it's been good. This is it. This is like an all-in-one season bag.
It's a catch-all.
It is.
What you call
Costs
it?
more than a
Catch-all.
regular one, but
And
wow.
it's crazy that
This is
Coke is one of her ingredients. I would have never guessed that. Coke? Like,
I know.
never guessed it.
Coke is the ingredient for a lot of stuff you don't know about.
Yeah, I don't. Ooh, the juice falling out of them.
This thing hidden.
Yes, it is. Dang. I should have. put me on something not as cute, cause
Yes, honey, bro.
this stuff is flashy.
Light colors and seafood don't never
It's
work.
definitely you can make a mess with this. Oh, be careful, y'all. When you buy it, you can definitely
Don't
make
use
a
it for all white party.
Oh, no, that's right.
Cause boy, I really don't care where it landed at me right now. I just come about eating it.
Right. Oh. Dang. I got some that don't went. Oh. Bam, a drip.
That's just good for fun.
It's good, Joe?
Now, give me another corn. Damn, that corn good.
Oh, y'all like the corn?
I like it everything. Seasoning, your food. Hell, your food good before the seasoning. So really,
Eating it real good.
her seasoning just enhances what you already did.
Her sauce could have probably used a little more spice in it.
Yeah, it's not that high.
Oh, now she do have the spicy one.
Oh,
She do have. I started up. She got mild and she got spicy. I got the mild to start off because I was like, I heard that spicy one that she got. It is hot. I heard it got a kick to it. So I said, you know what? I'm gonna start off with mild first,
You did good to do that.
and then next time I'll try her spicy one. Cause I will be buying it again. I paid $25. And it came fast because I'm a Prime member, so it came real fast. Not too bad, cause her prices at first is good, but it ain't that good for them prices that she had first. Like till I seen 68 and 98. I'm like, oh no, I ain't paying that.
we'll make our own love around here.
I know that's right.
Cause it kind of puts you in the mind of juicy sauce, but it has a little bit more like sweet to it and kick to it.
There we go. I only got one out.
But it is kind of similar, like though.
It is kind of similar to the juicy.
It is. It was just thicker too.
Yeah, it's
Juicy probably
thicker.
cutting it with a little water. The
Yeah.
Coke probably got them bring it together.
Exactly.
Oh, good.
All right, y'all, we back. Sorry, we had a little phone call coming in, so we had to stop the video, but we is back, y'all. Like, don't call us and disturb us while we is eating these crab legs, okay?
Yes.
And
That
this,
would
we
make the
trying out
video
this
stop.
sauce, okay? So
Leave us alone.
leave us alone till we done, okay? Oh, y'all see how I did good with these crab legs. You see how it just come out? It just come out. Get in there.
Just right. They ain't sticking to the shell.
Yeah.
Hey,
That's when you know you cooked them right.
left crab get in there. Right crab get in there. Left arm get in there. Right arm get in there. Get in there. Get in there. I'm getting in there, y'all.
I know that's right. I'm getting in there too. Yes, Granny
Oh,
is
there
in the
you go.
house.
I just put my I put one one out.
You got some little pros and cons. Overall, it's good.
Yeah, I would definitely be purchasing it again because it kind of make you like now, y'all. Every time I have seafood, I'm be thinking I need this sauce. Be thinking I need this sauce. That's $25 a while because I got a little bit saved over, but really, don't be honest with you, we ain't gonna have that much saved over. You want to buy another pack.
Yeah, but we're gonna go back to this a couple times. It's a lot of
But especially if you have a lot of crab legs. 'Cause I got a lot of crab legs because I brought like $100 worth. So this little thing right here ain't nothing. I got a big old container in the stove.
Yeah, the neighbor seen us getting it out the trunk and was like, what y'all got going on? Y'all might have a real party on there. So I wasn't trying to be nosy.
We about to have a big old
Yeah, right.
party, but guess what? You
want
can't
a big
get
ass
in.
With y'all mukbangs. Y'all kicking it? Y'all want some Hennessy margarita? Look out for my drink coming soon. Be testing the waters. I'm pretty good at it. Just don't want to bother nobody. Pour your own troubles. I don't like pouring it.
Oh. Okay. Let me dig in and get another egg. How the egg is good.
So it was up to my boy. You probably can't see him. Oh, there it is. Take the whole club, dude.
Oh yeah,
Oh,
now
yeah.
that sauce
What's
be
up,
good
guys? It's
too.
your boy Joy.
I ain't cooked one
Yeah,
in a
that's
minute.
Oh, my look.
Oh, that's good. Yeah, that sauce is good too. Yeah, that sauce be
I
real
ain't gotta
good.
cook with sauce. I ain't
Yeah,
cook.
girl.
But I can find somebody to cut it up.
Yeah.
I'll cut it this
Got
time.
that long.
Because I sure want some. I'll cut it.
Oh, I
We
sure
love
somebody to
that.
cut.
So good.
Sit down, Joy.
Had to get a refill.
Yeah, we still going at it. We got so much.
Well, why
that
you staring at me like
I
that?
feel like we ain't even put a dent in it yet.
No, we really haven't.
But we got so much.
We're going to be going by the night, though. I got people texting me on Instagram talking about, damn, no invite. Nigga say,
Aw.
no invite, though. You flexing on my campaign. They mad. Like,
We gonna
y'all
be full
kicking
after
it.
this.
Yeah, see why
See
we
my
ain't seen you out and about. You in the house
Got
kicking
the
shit.
Yeah, she was doing this kids too.
Tribal braids. And I got one.
What was you barking at the door for?
Him out rolling, him out
And
on the water.
Had the bootleg one because I put it in and made a mistake. Cut my dog on.
Nah, don't answer no though.
Huh? Now you heard me hung up when I said, really, I'm scratching your face.
Told you.
I know she did.
Yeah.
Woo.
Corn
This
good.
tastes good.
That corn is good.
All I know, I'm just gonna be full after this.
Jordan, you supposed to eat all this now.
Exactly. You
All
just
that there.
I know.
All that. Before you get another corn.
corn. Exactly. Sit down.
Because you
That's
take
why-
2 or 3 bites and then get another one. You can't do that.
That's why you can't vlog when your kids around because they just be all over the place. Good night, good night, good night.
Ooh, boy, I probably went on seafood for a while.
Oh, I know how. Boy, I don't see how she eat this every day, Carl. I mean, it's good, but after a while, you be done had enough of it, so
Yes.
you be like, And I got so much of it, I don't even know, like, where to go next.
I know. I'm like, you bought a lot.
I know, I wrote a lot.
When you told me that, I'm like, oh my goodness. She done bought a lot.
I know. I don't go grocery shopping when you're hungry, cause
Yes.
you be done picked
That's
up
the
more than what you actually
You been there buying the whole store.
need. Okay. Yes, you will.
We'll go somewhere. Hey, go right. Keep saying it.
Hello. So you got a little drink though. And the hallway lit.
Y'all, I got the hallway lit. Hey. Lit with this smell. Hey. We went through one, y'all. That's all our shells and stuff. And this is the actual crab legs. And look at all of this. Like, we still got a bunch. Oh my
It was
God.
better than the other one.
I don't know what I was thinking, y'all.
She should have bought 3 packs.
I just was so happy that Belove sauce came in the mail and I just went crazy. Whew.
They going a little bit off for today.
My mom can take some home. Warm it up.
Boy, stop sniffing me, man.
Peace.
I
Where
smacked you.
Munchie at?
He coming. He's still on the bed.
Oh, you better get some if you want some. Cause, ooh,
I gave him a hot some.
I am about full, y'all. Oh, my God. Thank you, Dora.
Okay.
That was a fat knock I hear. That just was thick. Ooh. Wow.
That's the perfect texture right there of the lobster. It's right. It's just right there. I swear to God, like with lobster, you can overcook it and undercook it.
Mm-hmm.
And this is damn near like perfect. I ain't never been
Nah, damn,
well,
full.
raised in the city. I did, but
Alright.
they lobster right here. Damn, bro. Might get a little foot rub for that one tonight.
I'm already
Oh.
I'm already full already.
Good she checked on her when she did.
Let me get an
I'm about to
egg.
get a napkin, baby. That egg is really good.
I ain't had none of them yet. You got another one?
This sauce is good, but I feel like
It's more sauce. Everybody else got.
Oh, yeah.
My sauce about to be gone.
Look how mine comes. I got like.
You know, give him.
the sauce is good, but it can be like too much if you keep on
Yeah,
eating
it's
it
kind of
after
like
a
a
while.
little bit overbearing. Like
If you keep on eating
it's
it.
good, but it's something's missing something.
And you mix the stuff into it, it thickens. Cause like I done absorbed all
It's
the
got
juice.
like I don't know, it's alright, but I ain't.
I don't think I gotta have it every time. I might buy the juicy special with juicy crab on her ass.
Yeah. I mean, it's good, but
It's a nice experience. I want to try the hot, and then just reviewing.
I think, you know what I think?
Y'all, they is
I think
crazy.
if
Like,
you
they
take
got
this
this
sauce
joke out
and mix
editing
some Old Bay
this
with it,
video. I
I
just
think
had to
that'll
do a
set it right off.
voiceover
Probably will.
I think
Use the
that's-
when
leaf.
black
think
people
that'll
get
set it
full.
right off.
Babies
They
might
start
got-
talking about it.
I think that'll set it right off.
Everything on point with it. It's just
Yeah, it is.
it gets kind of old after you done ate so much different stuff. That's why I don't see how they. Oh,
Yeah.
everything they
Y'all,
touch just
I
gotta go
am
in.
so
Yeah.
choked out because they
She
done
doing
got
that.
full Well, she and gonna now they love done it had to anyway, change 'cause her it's heart. product. And I don't blame her. You know,
Yeah.
you gonna love
I'm
your
full.
stuff because that's
Yeah,
your
that's
baby.
true.
So
God dang. Excuse me.
she
I
gonna
ain't
love
knocking
it. Wow.
Just
I
not
got
for they
about-
going us.
I done forgot
Yeah.
about full.
I like it,
Not
baby.
all that. Like a playing boy, you know.
I think the Yoda season probably was better. Sorry, me love.
Look, that's how black people do. They get full and then they
I
start,
should say that to be love.
they start critiquing stuff. Get full. Whew.
She did a thing, but she ain't do enough. She just said, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. So you tapping out.
Whew.
Where's the love?
I know, I'm full, sure.
This is the new love right here.
I just done
need
brought
that
too
thing,
many
please.
crab legs. I done brought too many crab legs. Oh,
She
Lord
already got me
Jesus.
full.
Whew.
I'm sure we'll have some company. Somebody that eat it.
Yeah, no, that's right.
I know I'm about to make a
that's
trade that's not getting touched.
I'm
Live
full.
well with them can
And
get-
I might have me get a
go.
good sleep. Love is boy. Don't wake me up too early.
That egg is good, though.
That egg,
It
boy.
is good.
That egg.
I hate when
Shit,
you
the egg and the
get
corn killing
yolk
everything to me.
inside
Yes.
But for I don't like this. I don't like getting corn.
And the crab egg was good too. But this corn and the egg, boy, this boy, look.
I told you that corn was good.
Yeah, it was.
But
It
it
did.
sat down.
I
I
ate
think
the
she put
egg.
them on. Put that on
I ate
first.
one of them.
the corn.
Yeah, I did.
Oh,
And
yeah.
then soak up that good seasoning
Yeah, it
at the
did.
bottom.
It did.
Oh yeah, I'm done.
Jordan, hand me one of
Please.
them legs. You want them clusters? Nah, not the ugly one. Now give me one with. I want one with everything on it. No, not the
bro.
ugly one. There you
Come
go.
on.
Not the
That's
ugly
the other one too. I think this is the ugly batch at the
Yeah,
bottom.
give me that.
Oh yeah.
We got all the good ones at first.
These little 3 they can have you done because I'm not playing with 4. So bye.
What are you talking about?
All right.
I'm full. So yeah, you brought too much. So yeah, I can play with. Come on.
My buddy said, boy, it smell good as hell or not? I know you guys been looking at that. What you drinking on? You know, a Henny margarita. And I might go buy my little old chick. Let me get a drink. You know, set the tone when you get there, huh? I know that, right? A little buzz. He already ride around listening to old school with all that. Gerald LeBert and Earth, Wind, and Fire beating in the bourbon. Pulling up on him, swerving. Go ahead and introduce y'all to a few members of the family. Where the scum originality come from. Gonna have a big scum mukbang part 2. You gotta stay tuned for that.
I think you have to keep on, like,
Warming it up.
yeah, so it don't.
Stay in the liquid form because it mad up if it don't.
Yeah.
It's still good like this. It's just like the stuff that's in the bottom of the bag of juicy crab, and you be looking at
Yeah.
all the stuff down at the bottom of the bag. All the ingredients diced up.
Mm-hmm.
That's all it is. That's why I said you could have added some more water to it on the top. That would have thinned it up. But like you said, heating it up.
But you know
See
what?
exactly what it is.
If you take the little leftover and freeze it, and use it again, I bet you it'll be even better.
Yeah, it definitely will. It double the seed. It's definitely gonna secure everything in. That's a good idea. That's double dipping. Some of those little shrimp was good as hell too.
I reloaded.
What?
You go to you funny.
What? Little book bag?
You come back with the book bag with the chain, no shirt.
Yeah, because I was hot.
Yeah, right. Go sit down over that way.
What?
Bye.
Yeah, no girlfriend with me.
Oh, dang. Oh, look at.
Little gummy worm. Hey. Oh, okay. Comment below if you guys want to see a food fight
Yeah.
with seafood.
We won't be having no seafood back there.
I'm just started with throwing food.
Well, they be throwing food in the cafeteria.
Throwing that at this table.
No, we won't
This
be throwing it at
cafeteria
this
too.
table. No, it's not.
That keep the little limp noodle over there.
This one, I had one of these.
You all have about that little book bag. Put the bag up, man. I'll take it back.
No,
I didn't get my money either.
you didn't say nothing about that.
Yeah, so you had all the ones and you wanted to use some 20s to pay for it. You got that bag and
I put
all
my
that.
money out. You didn't say nothing.
Yeah, I know that, right? You get that from your mama.
I'm playing.
Say something that you like and then walk off and then see what happened, like a surprise. You wanted it. I can't do it to myself, so I know somebody else feels the same way. So I can't even know if I got it. You got
That was
some money
funny
in
though
there
when
too.
she look for you for that purse.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, when I see her coming in the door,
She like, come on, babe, come on.
she had me
I
think
went
something
in.
happened.
I went
I got
inside the
another
coach purse, the Coach store,
I can like put my little
and
stuff
I
in
seen
there.
about 3 purses
Girl,
I
got
wanted.
stuff I can put in there.
I couldn't find Babe. I heard found Babe. He came.
Oh,
He came back at the meetup time at the right time. Going, I see him. I was like,
What do
"Come
you
on,
mean my
babe.
money in my pocket?
we gotta go get this." He thought something had to happen. Like, yeah, something happened. That Coach person happened.
Because she came to the table, she said, "What bed? What bed? What bed?"
My money right here.
Like, "What bed? What bed?"
I would
gotta
go
get this purse
find
for
Babe
somebody
for
else.
that purse because I wanted that purse. And it was another purse, and I was
You should've got
on
that
it
watch.
too, boy. Ooh. I know.
That
Ooh,
watch
that
was
Coach
hard.
watch was hard.
I ain't
I'm
sure.
gonna
That
have
one-
to
that
go back
one
and
was
get that
hard,
because that
like-
Coach watch was hard. I wanted that Coach watch.
That's the coolest designer watch I done seen in a while. Just as far as like going to the outlet, being able to get a nice watch. Like that watch for females.
I like Coach, period, though. I like everything they got.
My money
Yeah, I'm gonna take a little pause. I'm good. We'll
Yeah,
be back
I'm
after this
full.
commercial.
All right, you guys. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Get your money out the camera, Jordan.
Hey.
I hope y'all enjoyed
wanna know how
this
money.
video.
Shut up.
You guys, thank y'all for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that little notification bell. Bing, bing. So you guys will know when we upload, okay? And I hope y'all enjoyed this mukbang, this Belove mukbang. All right. And
And Jesus, Henny Margaritas.
comment down below if you done tried the sauce too and what you
Do
think
part two.
about it, okay? And yeah.
We can maybe do part 2,
We're gonna
y'all.
try the spicy. But I'm gonna have
Yeah,
some
we
friends
probably-
over. We're gonna do a little game. We're gonna play Atlanta Napoli with the hot and spicy. So y'all stay tuned for part 2.
Yes, but thank y'all for tuning in, you guys, and don't forget to comment down below and tell us about your experience with the Belove sauce, okay?
How you rocking?
Want me to press my
You cut it.
the
So we enjoyed you guys, and thank y'all for joining, or thank y'all for watching Keeping Up with Tina and John John. All right, so y'all make sure y'all
TJ gang.
Y'all make sure y'all hit that notification bell so y'all can keep up with us. Keeping up, keeping up, keeping up, keeping up, keeping up, keeping up. Hey, keeping up, keeping up, keeping up. So make sure y'all hit that notification bell so y'all keep up with your girl.
The
Cause
thumbs
y'all know
up.
we gonna be
Hit that little
giving y'all
bell.
some good little content,
Hit that little bell.
okay? We ain't stopping. All right,
Bye,
y'all.
y'all.
Peace.
We got our foot on the gas, y'all.
We got to put on the gas. On the gas, y'all. Until then. And we is out, chill.